Hi everyone, my name is Jose. I am a respiratory therapist at the CPAPshop.com, and today I'm happy to introduce this brand new way to keep your CPAP hose disinfected and keep you healthy. It's called the Lumin Bullet. It's ideal for those of you who do not want to use chemicals to disinfect your CPAP hose. There are no parts to replace and it's virtually noiseless. You may be familiar with the Lumin as it uses ultraviolet light to kill germs. You would throw in your CPAP mask or the water chamber inside, close it, turn it on. 5 minutes later, it has disinfected everything. The Lumin is very versatile as it will disinfect your glasses, toothbrush, and other items such as your phone as well if you wanted to. Except it didn't guarantee that the CPAP hose would be disinfected, which is why they developed the Bullet. The Bullet comes with a rechargeable battery and this USB cord. Let's just plug it in. On a single charge, it'll provide up to 30 uses. A little red light will tell you that it's charging the battery. Once the light is blue, the battery is fully charged. Once it's fully charged, we're going to align it with this shell. Now this shell has a little window right here. That's important because we want the tip of the bullet to face in the same direction. There's a magnet inside of here that's going to keep the bullet in place. And if you look inside, once I lock it, the little ultraviolet light is glowing. That's what's going to disinfect the inside of your hose. Now let's try it out. So now let's see how we're going to disinfect the inside of the hose. We're just going to open up this shell, and this is going to apply to just about every standard CPAP hose out there, not heated tubing or tubing that comes with specialty machines. So both ends are the same, and we're going to slip the bullet in through either end. It doesn't matter. We're just going to give enough room to be able to grab the hose from the end of the shell. And I'm going through this rather quickly, but take about 1 minute to go through the entire process. You can take 1 minute for it to go from one end to the other, or 30 seconds going each way. The bullet is going to be inside and you're all set. Now we're going to review compatibility of hoses. Let's check for compatibility, as not everything is compatible. Make sure you know what kind of machine you have and what kind of hose you use on your machine. This is the Resmed AirSense 10 or the Air Curve Climate Line tube. It is not compatible with the Lumin Bullet. As you can see, this end has a little stopper there and the other end is an elbow that turns. So the Bullet is not going to be compatible. So let's put this on the side. This tubing is for the Resmed Air Mini Travel PAP machine. It is compatible. All you have to do is twist off this end and the bullet's going to go right in, and we close the case around it and it works. We are going to have a list of tubes that are not compatible with the Lumin Bullet. And this is compatible. And this is the hose for the Dream Station. It's a heated tube. Now one end has a little stopper, so it's not going to work through that end, but this is the end that gets connected to the machine, and that will work. So again, not everything's compatible and some just require minor modifications. So a quick recap on the Lumin Bullet. It will disinfect the inside of your CPAP hose without the use of any dangerous chemicals. It uses only ultraviolet light. It is compatible with most CPAP hoses, but please make sure that yours is not on the incompatible list. We recommend that you disinfect your hoses at least twice a week and daily during flu or cold season. After every time that you disinfect, please rinse off the hose with water and let it dry. And if you have any questions, please reach out to us at contact@thecpapshop.com. Thank you.